Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, CD changer, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.